I wanted to give you a real quick demonstration of a product called 17 Hats. I really like this program. If you're just starting and you're looking for a product to kind of automate everything, 17 Hats, basically the name comes from you've got all these different hats you're trying to wear in your business, all these different aspects of your business, whether it's bookkeeping or lead generation or following up on your leads and your clients. But I wanted to show you this as far as onboarding and keeping track of your clients. Now, as I've mentioned before, the product that I use is Kartra, and in a different video I'll be giving you kind of the A to Z on why I like Kartra. But this is just another alternative, and I just wanted to show you a real quick view of it to give you some ideas. So what I've done here is I've loaded in just one contact, named it myself. And so when you get people, basically a CRM is a customer relationship management program. So you could put leads in that you're emailing back and forth or whatever. And then let's say somebody contacted you and they wanted to sign up for your service. So that's what this analogy is that I'm going to be showing you here within 17 Hats. How 17 Hats looks at it is assigns things as projects, not necessarily by the contact, but by the project. So Debbie could be a client of mine, but she has different projects. So we're just going to click on projects and select a client. So we will select this client. And now it just is giving me a preview of this information, and it just talks about, okay, let's add a new project. So I'm just going to say, let's say I've got my 6-week coaching. And you could, so let's say you're a graphic designer or copywriter or anything like that. You could put in a certain budget amount, track your time, all that kind of stuff. You could add tags. So if I had different types of coaching packages, then I would want to create a tag for that. And it's just saying it didn't find a tag, so it created it for me. And you can integrate your calendar, like your Google Calendar, in with this so that everything is coordinated, and then you just click on Save. So with 17 Hats, you can build out those workflows. So just like what we talked about, the onboarding process, you could add all of those workflows. 17 Hats, they do give you different, some preset workflows that you could load in here. So here's one, it's just called Lead Management Workflow Consultation. And so what it will do is these workflows will kind of walk you through, okay, this is what you do on the first step, the second step, and so forth. And then the other thing that you can do is you can upload different documents. So you can have some preset emails, preset files. So if you have contracts, things like that. And then it just continues to track this project all the way through. If I come over here to documents, you can upload some invoice templates, some quotes, contracts, and so forth. And then 17 Hats, they do give you quite a few templates underneath all of these things. So if you click right here under templates, here are different templates for, and it'll show you emails. Here's one that's a questionnaire, like past due invoice. You know, it just has all kinds of different templates there. And then it also has some sample contracts here for quotes, and then here's a contract. So If you just click on it, it just kind of walks you through what that contract is and how to use it. So again, 17 hats, it just gives you a lot of services under one umbrella. I think it's a good place to start. If you are really wanting to get into a more robust automated system where you're building your like lead generation, your landing pages, all of that kind of stuff, then you might want to graduate to a program called Kartra, which isn't that much more expensive than what 17 hats would cost you. But again, this is a great first step if you're not using anything. If you're just doing everything manually, trying to keep all those balls in the air, this would be a good program that you could take advantage of. 17 hats, they do have a 7-day free program. So if it's something that looks interesting to you, you could sign up for that free program, take a little dry run, and see if you like it.